What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today I got a 1992 Pontiac Trans-Am. Getting ready to do a walk around. It's got GTA emblems on it. They put the GTA all over it. I don't believe it actually is. It's got a 5.0 in it. Really good running motor. This car runs and drives awesome. I got a little bit of history on it. I want you to check out my test drive video. I'll talk to you more about that. Also taking it down the road. I mean, you got a hands-on experience watching the video. I'm literally sitting here telling you as I go any problems that I see. That's what we like to do up here. I'm gonna point out all the flaws on this car. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com so you can get 100 detailed photos. I've got financing information. I've also got transportation information. But like I said, in these videos, I like to point out all the flaws. That way you know everything about the car. You can see the good. I don't have to explain that. So we're gonna start up here in the front and zoom in on this stuff. I'm using a GoPro 7. If you like the quality, check out the description the description at the bottom of this video, and you can get a link to the exact camera I have and the accessories I use for the camera. The front end looks awesome on this. I don't even hardly see a scratch. Maybe there's a little bug mark on there, probably from driving up here while I was doing the test drive video. AC does work on this car. It's basically a stock motor. It's not been built or anything. Locally owned. Decent set of wheels and tires on there. The tread's still good. Like I said, they put the GTA emblems on there. It's just a Trans-Am from my knowledge. We're gonna lay the hood down here in a moment. You can see, if you get real close, the clear coat's cracking on the hood. Hopefully that's popping up. It's still got a good shine to it, but it may need a repaint. The T-tops are a little faded up top. You can't really see out of them from the inside. And they've got a little bit of chipping, and of course where it's chipping, it's going to rust if it's straight metal. That's what it is. So I'm going to get down low. Let me get out of the way here so you can actually see. There's a bee. He's hanging out with us today. Sorry if the car got a little bit dirty. It's been raining like crazy and I was trying to get out. A little piece of the wing must have broke off. Actually, I already seen that. It's in the door jamb. I actually have that little piece. Probably won't notice it, but I just wanted to point that out and let you know. The tint on the back is coming off. It's gonna need to be redone. A car like this, you probably just take all the tint off anyways. Have nice clean windows. I love the back of this car. It looks awesome. The bumper on top, the clear coat's coming up a little bit, as you can see if I get real close. Of course, it's the original paint job. I'm sure it's a 92 model, so definitely gonna have some paint flaws. Back tires are in great shape as well. It's like a chip in the door here. Not too many flaws. Like I said, the paint's the age of the car, so we'll go ahead and check the interior out. I'll pop the trunk. I think it's got a button in here. Most everything works on this car, so this little piece fell off when I took off on the test drive. You can see, probably have to replace that with a new one. Somebody probably put the screws back in there and tried to make it stay, but seat's showing a little bit of wear. It has been driven. It's 150,000 miles on it. Well, almost 150. It's 149. Passenger seat is in a lot better shape. The rear looks pretty good. This booklet here is full of receipts, and a bunch of them. I mean, they go back 2010. I mean, that's 800 bucks. That's 2011. There's just a whole bunch of receipts in there of all the stuff done to the car. Let's push the trunk button. And it works. Lifts up by itself. Nice clean in the jams. Weather stripping looks pretty good. T-top bag here. Strapped in. Wheel lock down there. Like I said, I'd probably just take his tint off. Let's go ahead and shut it back down now. I think on these cars it just sucks it back down. There it goes. Door panel looks awesome. Weather stripping looks decent around it. It's a little dry up top. Do have that little piece that I was talking about. I seen it in the door here, so you could add that to the wing. Carpet's not in bad shape. Jam's nice and clean. I'm looking for flaws here, guys. Oh, there's one sticking out of the steering wheel. Horn works on it. Kind of messed up on that side, but it does work on that side. We'll go ahead and start it up here.
Hello.
The car kind of talks to you a little bit. Just likes to ask how your day is. Oil pressure's up. We've been driving around a little bit. Temperature's at a good spot. Battery gauge came up. Fuel gauge works. Speedometer works. Radio works. It was jamming earlier.
Problem. We need a
AC works. And it's cold. Freezing cold. Windows are a little slow. Power locks work. Everything works on this car, so get your windshield wipers, your tilt. Got a pretty good sound to it. I've noticed on this hood, you gotta hold this spring up or it won't shut properly, so hold that up, come on down with it. It shuts just right here. Like I said, across the hood, it does have some clear coat issues, a little cracking. It's mainly just on the hood here. Try to get in close so you can see what I'm talking about. But it's got a good look. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front and go all the way around the car, just kind of peek under the car. You can also get more detailed photos at maplmotors.com, so definitely go to that website and check that out. I had to reach way up under the front there. Driver's side here. We're gonna go to the rear now. Over here to the passenger side. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. We do all these classic muscle cars. And you'll see that on our website. That's maplmotors.com, the bottom left of the screen here. Like I said earlier in the video, if you like the video production, you can see everything I use down in the description. I put the links exactly to what I have. That way you can purchase them yourself. Just click on them Amazon links down there, and I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one, guys.